Remember waiting for that package for what felt like an eternity? Well, get ready for a delivery revolution. What if your parcel dropped from the sky? This video dives into how drones are transforming logistics forever. How are drones improving last mile? First, let's meet the trailblazers shaping tomorrow's logistics. Today, drones aren't hobbies. They're the backbone of tomorrow's logistics. Amazon Prime Air, UPS Flight Forward, Google's Wing, DJI drones, and innovators like Mana Aero are leading the charge. Why drone delivery? Speed, often under 30 minutes. Reach, getting to remote or underserved areas. Efficiency, reducing traffic congestion and emissions. But it's not all smooth skies. Regulations, safety protocols, and infrastructure remain major hurdles. Companies need FAA and local approvals, robust detect and avoid systems, and air traffic integration.
We helped write the legislation. We got bipartisan support from Senator Warner and Senator Thune to submit that. The reason this is really a monumental moment in the drone industry is this is the first time that industry, the FAA, and Congress are aligned.
Your support keeps this channel going. Like the video, subscribe for more, and don't forget to share it with your crew. Amazon plans to deliver 500 million packages by drone annually by 2029. But crashes and sensor failures remind us safety is non-negotiable. Beyond e-commerce, industries are transforming. E-health, with medical deliveries in Africa and rural areas, food and grocery, emergency supplies. Each takeoff writes new opportunity. This revolution also creates jobs. Drone pilots, software engineers, maintenance teams, and startups like Zipline and Mana Aero are competing with giants like Amazon. So what's next? AI-powered autonomous fleets, BV loss operations, networked skyways, smart city integration, and daily drone deliveries may be as normal as mail. Intrigued? Hit subscribe and ring the bell to follow this journey. What would you have delivered by drone first? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you in the skies.